Hey guys, how you doing today? It's Evan down here at Mellow Vapes Civilian Land, coming at you real quick with a little discussion about some products here for you. I've had a good bit of people come in over the past couple of weeks interested in more DIY, building your own coils, that kind of stuff. And I wanted to talk a little bit more about a couple of the products that we have to aid you in those DIY endeavors, namely our build kits. We have two really solid options here for you. We have a large, you'd probably keep at home build kit, and a made by Coil Master, and a smaller, more portable build kit made by Geek Vape. Here they are. Now we are going to do a full unboxing of this Coil Master DIY kit because I need to put it in the display case anyway. Now it comes with a absolute ton of tools here for you. We're going to go ahead and go over what this has in it in just a second. Go ahead and get this open for you guys. There you go, super simple. Coil Master, nice soft case to carry all your tools in, with a zipper pouch. Ooh, looks like something may have come a little bit loose in there. Hold on one second. Things do tend to get a little loose in shipping, unfortunately, from time to time. Now, let me show you guys what we're working with here. There you go, you can see the whole kit right there. It's gonna mess up my angle a little bit. Oh, that's not too bad. All right, so as you can see here, starting at the top, you've got a flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, a pair of stainless ceramic tweezers, which are fantastic for working with your coils. Never use metal tweezers on your coils. Say it one more time, never use metal tweezers on your coils, okay? Just in case. Pretty sure most of you who are familiar with building will be aware of that. Can cause some issues. Always use the ceramic ones. Of course, you've got some wire cutters here, some pliers. It also comes with 10 feet of A1 Kanthal, as well as a T-screw, some scissors, and a voltmeter here for you as well as some tools to wrap your wire. Now, it does come with a lot of stuff. It's a big build kit for those serious about DIY. Now, the benefits of DIY being that ultimately it is a lot cheaper in the long run than purchasing coils or pods or tanks, that sort of stuff. Spool of wire and cotton. I am building with mesh, so it is a little bit different personally, but a 10-pack of mesh is like $6.99, and the pack of cotton is also $6.99, so like 12 bucks, and I have at minimum 10 builds that I can do out of that. Oh no, 10 builds with the coils. If the coil's good, I can just re-wick it. So sometimes you can make those last a little bit longer as well. It's just a cheaper way of vaping for some. It is a lot more complicated, and you do have to know what you're doing as far as Ohm's law and that kind of thing, which I'm not going to get into in this video, but maybe at some point down the line we can do a little build tutorial. I'm not the best at it, but maybe I can point a few things out for you guys. As far as the system goes here, oh, one other thing, my bad. Another benefit to the DIY that I wanted to mention is flavor, and cloud production is top of the line. You are hard pressed to find, save for a couple of options, tanks that will perform anywhere near to the level that a RTA, even like this profile, or a DigiFlavor Mesh Pro, for example. That thing is also fantastic. You just get a much better, in my personal opinion, experience, better flavor and bigger clouds, but it is not for everybody. It is, like I said, quite complicated, but if you know what you're doing, it's a lot of fun. I find it kind of relaxing, and I enjoy doing it. And as far as the other product for you, this is the much more portable kit here for you from Geek Vape, a fantastic company with some great products. You've got pliers, wire cutters, tool to wrap your coils. That's what these guys help you with there. You've got ceramic tweezers, couple of smaller, so here, let me pull those out. There you go, gauge to wrap your wire around. Ceramic tweezers, scissors, and of course your screwdrivers as well. And yeah, that is about gonna wrap it up. Like I said, I just wanted to show you guys a couple of the products. Oh, and the Coil Master Kit does come with some organic cotton sheets, which is pretty fantastic, as well as the wire. And yeah, like I said, that's about it. Just wanted to show you guys that fantastic product for you and let you guys know that we had some more stuff for you if you're ever interested in taking a look at the more intricate side of vaping, if you would. The more complicated stuff that people like to tinker and mess with, and just gives you the ability to, if you like a certain kind of hit, get that exact hit. Like me personally, I don't like the really hot builds that chuck massive amounts of clouds. Well, I do like a large cloud in my vape. I'm kind of over it at this day and age. I do like a big cloud, but I would rather a cool, comfortable hit in my throat, which is why I'm a massive menthol person. You will literally never see me vape anything other than a menthol. It's kind of a problem, but restricts me a little bit on the juice flavors, but I really enjoy them. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comments. Otherwise, you can come down and see us, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.